Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. We did together a lot of good work on this 2005 Scion TC. For example, in the last video we programmed that brand new key, right? And it was the part which is for immobilizer, right? So we programmed that. I got it cut. The key is starting the vehicle, but the remote control for the locks is still not working. So let's go and take care of that in this video. Here you can see the old key, right? The vehicle came with. It's reacting to it, right? When I push it, here is the new one. When I push the button, it's doing nothing. So let's go and take care of it so I can finally use it. And this door lock system has many possible programming modes. I will be using the add mode, right? I'm trying to add additional transmitter. So the whole thing starts with driver door open, and you insert key and pull it out from the ignition, right? Pull it out. Insert key and pull it out within 5 seconds. Close and open driver door twice. Once, twice. Insert key into ignition and pull it out without 40 seconds. Close and open driver door twice. 1, 2. Insert key and close the door. Turn the ignition switch on and back to lock in 1 second intervals. And that's for that add mode. Remove the key within 40 seconds. Did you hear the locks? They did a click, closed and open, right? So that was integration relay automatically performing the lock unlock operation to indicate that the add mode is selected. That's why it was only once, right? Press lock and unlock switches simultaneously. I did that. And press lock or unlock within 45 seconds. And now the integration relay should do again a lock and unlock to confirm that the registration has been completed. It didn't. And it needs to go fast, right? The steps needs to follow really fast, and it's one of the problems when I'm filming it and I'm trying to explain it to you and I get behind and then the procedure is not completed. So I filmed it 3 times and then I gave up, and then finally, without speaking into the camera, it went through. And as you can see right now, I am completely locked, right? If I push it once, it will open just my door, right? And if I push it twice, it opens the rest of the car right behind you. It clicked. So I can lock myself again, right? It's working. But it took me actually 5 times because I was trying to explain it to you into the camera. But I will say in this case, faster it's better, right? Don't just wait, just keep doing these steps. Don't hold these buttons forever, right? When it's both of them, I think just second, it's completely enough. And to do 2, so hold it for a second and then in 1 second push either of them, and it will lock and unlock again to confirm that you are done. So yeah, again, don't get discouraged, right? You can see I keep showing you it's working. Don't get discouraged because it might take few tries to do this procedure, and I will say faster it's better. And I guarantee you, you will be excited when you will finally see this new key working, right? So I believe it's unlocked, so let's go lock it. See that? And unlock. It's perfect. I love it. And just a little note, this procedure, this exact procedure which I just explained to you, it's pretty universal. It's not just for this 2005 Scion TC, it's actually for many different Toyota vehicles. So I hope you find this helpful, right? Not only for the Scion owners, but possibly for others. And please make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.